Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage milk curry Sri Lankan style quick and easy method full guide. Start by shredding 1 medium cabbage, finely chopping onion, garlic, and green chili, and preparing half a cup of coconut milk and your spice mix. Heat oil, temper mustard seeds and curry leaves, then saute aromatics until fragrant. Add cabbage, spices, and coconut milk, simmer until tender and serve hot. Warm up your kitchen with simple, aromatic ingredients that bring Sri Lankan flavors to life. Grab fresh cabbage, coconut milk, turmeric, mustard seeds, curry leaves, onion, garlic, and green chili. Measure coconut milk as half a cup and turmeric as 1 teaspoon to keep balance and color consistent. Use a neutral oil and freshly ground spices when possible. These choices make a big difference in depth and mouthfeel of the curry. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video, it really helps. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, which I use while prepping and stirring on the stove, plus it keeps drinks cool. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one for yourself. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Follow an easy sequence to achieve tender, flavorful cabbage curry without fuss. First, heat oil and temper mustard seeds and curry leaves until they pop. Add chopped onion, garlic, and green chili, sautéing until soft and fragrant. Toss in shredded cabbage, sprinkle measured spices, and pour half a cup of coconut milk. Stir well, cover, and simmer on low for about 12 to 15 minutes until cabbage is tender and the curry is cohesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.